Okay, makes things so much easier. Everything is right there at my fingertips.
Taryn Vasquez is one of the first bartenders in the country to use new Zuldi technology.
Hi ladies, can I get you started with something to drink?
Zuldi allows a server to do all of their work on an iPod right from the table, from sending the customer's order to the kitchen to accepting their payment and emailing the receipt. Much faster compared to the old-fashioned method.
There would be a line of girls, of bartenders just waiting to use the micros to punch in the orders.
Zuldi creators say that improvement in efficiency is exactly what the tech is meant to do.
The kitchen is getting orders faster, the bar is getting orders faster, and the waitstaff are focusing on placing more orders and upselling more items. And meanwhile, the customers have an amazing experience.
So this box right here is basically all the business needs to get started. They simply lease one, plug it into the wall, and then servers pick up their iPods for tableside ordering and payments.
Zuldi does more than just place orders. It also collects precise data. For example, it can tell a business owner how much a certain brand of liquor was sold on any night and to what demographic.
It's a lot easier to kind of craft drink specials just based on what we're selling more of or what we aren't selling that much of.
Business owners can install the software without an expensive overhaul to their current system, putting the cutting-edge tech into the palm of their hand. In Las Vegas, Matt Finn, Fox News.